What we have here is a Roku streaming device, but we cannot use it because the remote control is missing. If you're in the same situation, don't worry, I'm here to help you. I'm going to show you 2 ways to solve these problems. Let's start with solution number 1. One day we are enjoying all the features in our Roku, and the next day our invisible friend decides to recycle our remote control. Alright, this is the first solution I got for you. Let's grab our phone. You can do this on iPhone or Android devices. Let's go to our App Store and let's search for the Roku app. Alright, we're gonna type Roku, of course, and we're gonna search for it. There's gonna be many apps, but we're gonna look for the Roku app official. I actually have it already on my phone. I'm just gonna click open. Okay, now our app is open. What we're gonna do is we have all our features on this app. You're gonna sign in if you need to. You can also use it on your mobile device, but we need the remote control. That's what we're here for. So we're gonna click on remote control and devices. Alright, there is many devices here because I love Roku and I have many of them. But this is a new device and I'm going to scroll down until I find new devices. I'm going to click on it and it's going to be connected just at once. Now I can go to the remote control and control my Roku just like so. So you guys can see, now I can use my phone to control my Roku as I please. But there's something wrong with this app. Also, what I find out, there is no way we can just higher or lower our volume from this Roku. That's one downside from using the app. I don't know if there is a way around it, but if you find one, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, let's jump on the second way to fix your problem. The second solution from this problem is you can purchase a new remote control from any place, maybe somebody, or maybe just walking on the street, and it happens that you find a remote control just like this for your Roku. Okay, now you can use it, right? Oh, what is happening? What is happening? I'm trying to use it. It's not working. Okay, I need to do something with this control. I need to pair it with my Roku device. So how are you going to do that? We're going to open the battery place on our Roku remote control. And we hold our Roku streaming device nearby. And we are going to press that little button on the bottom. We press when it's flashing green, our new Roku device is synced with this random control remote that we find on the street. As you guys can see, even on the TV, it says pairing remote control. We're gonna wait for that to finish and voila, we're gonna close the lid for the batteries so we don't end up losing our batteries. As you guys can see, even our volume is working and this Roku device never had a volume up and down, and as you guys can see, it's working just like so. So these 2 things will fix your problem if it happens that the remote control from your Roku is being missing or is being grabbed by a random stranger. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you to fix your problem with the Roku device. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell icon so you can get notifications on future videos. Thank you guys. Happy watching. See you back in the next video. Bye now.